Team Fullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Greek of my canal. So today I want to come and give you guys a quick update. I will be back to sit down and go into more details on this particular topic, but now I just want to share with you guys something that I have been trying for the past 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks now, and I want to come and give you guys a quick update on this particular subject. If you guys have been following me for a very long time now, you guys know I've made a couple of videos talking about the Fenugreek, using Fenugreek to enlarge your breast size. So I have been using Fenugreek pill for a very long time, but then as time goes, I was also on a weight gain journey, and I come across some articles on social media, also on Google, that Fenugreek can also help to reduce your weight. It can help with weight loss, and which I also discussed with my doctor, and he was like, yeah, Fenugreek can help you to lose your weight, so for you to lose weight, but also it also depends on how fast your body lose weight. And for me, someone who lose weight at a very high speed, I didn't want to take the risk. So after I finished the last bottle of capsules that I purchased, when that one finished, I didn't really go again and buy. So I have been off the Fenugreek for a very long time. But then just a couple of weeks ago, I was just watching back my old videos, and I was like, I talk about Fenugreek oil, and I'm like, I have Fenugreek at home, I have olive oil at home, why not I just make Fenugreek oil and just let it sit down for a couple of weeks, and then use that to like go through the massage process? Because I always talk about using Fenugreek oil to massage your breast, and also use Fenugreek pills, but the massage process is something that I've never really been consistent with. All this while, the pill, well, yes, I have been consistent with the pill, but the massage process is something I'm always on and off. So this last few weeks, I thought to myself, let me make this oil, and let me just be consistent with this oil. Do the massaging process in the morning when I take shower, 5 minutes in the morning, and then 5 minutes at night when I take shower before bed, because I like to take shower in the morning and the night, so it's very easy. And so I thought, let me just be consistent doing it. So I set a reminder in my phone. Yes, I did, just to remind myself. So after taking shower, I just put a reminder, and it shows 5 minutes breast massage. So it's just a reminder. So I have been doing this now for 2 weeks plus now, almost 3 weeks, and this is what I'm getting. I can't really take my shirt off and show you guys my breast. I don't want to, but you guys can see it's not much, but trust me, it's much more. I have no bra on, I have nothing on. This is just a normal shirt. I actually put on this shirt purposely for this video. Top that I like to wear in the summer when it's hot. So this is the Fenugreek oil that I make. I actually have this oil sitting right here with my other body oil, because it's more easy when it's sitting where I can see. All I do in the night is I just open it a little bit, just dip my hand, and then take the oil. Let me show you guys what I do, just a little bit, because you do have oil, because I've already done it. So you take the oil, warm it with your hand, and then take a little bit more. I don't want to put more, and then I just like to go in that circular motion. I start from here, and I go in, and I just like give it like a really good massage. So I spend like 10 minutes, 5 minutes in each breast, and I do that. So I've been doing it now. I did it straight 1 week straight, morning and night. I'm not gonna lie, I did it 1 week straight, morning and night. The second week is I was consistent with the morning one. The night one is when I catch up. I do it. But the morning one, I have been consistent. So the night one, for the second week, I wasn't consistent with it. So I'm just going to be honest, I wasn't consistent. Going into the third week now, I have been consistent with both morning and night, just that the third week is not yet finished, so I'm not going to say I have been consistent throughout the third week with the morning and night. But I know the first week I was consistent morning and night, and the second week I was consistent in the morning, and then in the night I was just, because there's some days after you finish take shower, I'm just like, let me just lie down a little bit. Before you know, I'm gone. I slept off. So I've not been consistent with it in the third week, but the second week, sorry, the third week I have, but the week has not yet finished. So this is what your girl is dealing with. I'm a mother of 3. I breastfeed all my kids. And like I said, our body is different. When I gain weight, mostly it goes to my hips and my face, my butts, my hips, and my face. So this area, when I gain weight, it's just remain the same. So yeah, I thought, let me come and share with you guys this. I will definitely come back and go into more details, but I just want to give you guys a quick update of what your girl is working with. This is it, and I really like this oil. It's so easy to make. I have so much videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys how to make fenugreek oil. It's really simple. You can make the paste, but I really do not like the paste because first I tried the paste just a little bit. I soak the oil with the fenugreek and then I blend it. I make the paste, but I didn't really like it, the paste. So the oil for me is the perfect one, but you can give the paste a try if you don't have any issue with it. So yeah, so the oil is just standing here with all my body cream, and I just want to come and give you guys a quick update, and I'll be back to go into more details on this particular topic.